In this video, I'll be showing you how to reset an oil maintenance light on a Toyota Corolla. This is located inside of the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to start off by turning on our ignition. Now on the left side of the steering wheel, there are arrow buttons. I'll be using these to scroll over to the settings menu. Once you reach the settings menu, we're going to scroll down to vehicle settings. Once you reach it, hold down the OK button. Here you'll find scheduled maintenance, press OK, and press OK to reset the data. As you can see, our reset is complete, so we're going to go back and scroll down one more time to find oil maintenance, where we'll do the same steps. Now we could exit to our main menu.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.